The great race event has come to Sodor. The engines are so excited as there are fantastic racetracks all over the island of Sodor. All the engines are invited, so come and boost, jump, spin and flip in crazy races to the finish line in Go, Go, Thomas! Go, go, Thomas! Choose your engine. Thomas! Oh no, the challengers are out of cog pieces on this track. Thomas versus Spencer. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Perfect start. You've taken the lead. To go. Smash it. Final lap. Perfect. I'm sure you'll do better next time. You could also go back and choose another engine. Ready? Tap, tap, tap on the green button to start up your engine. Smash it. Two laps to go. Brilliant! Final lap! Perfect! The other racer has taken the lead! You're in the lead! Winner! What a turn of events! Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Perfect start. You're in the lead. Perfect. Two laps to go. Superb! Final lap! Superb! Uh-oh! I'm sure you'll do better next time. You could also go back and choose another engine. Ready? Tap, tap, tap on the green button to start up your engine. Perfect start. You've taken the lead. Brilliant. Two laps to go. Smashing! Final lap! Smashing! Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Perfect start. You've taken the lead. Brilliant. 2 laps to go. Perfect. Final lap. Smashing. Winner! Brilliant performance.